use add all, like names. Type system dot semicolon is mandatory. Names copy. If you want copy, or let's say if you want to add all elements of list 1 to list 2, you can use add all. All means all elements. So all elements means more than one element. Means it should be from another list or set. So execute this. Here same elements. Okay, means add all elements have been added to the another list. Then another thing is you have another method. Important thing, add all. From set also you can use. I'll let you know that set later. And clear. So clear means what it does is it removes all elements from one list. Okay, the syntax is list object dot clear. That's it. No parameters. List object dot clear. That's it. So all values will be cleared. Clone means if you want to make a copy, what you can do is instead of copying, what names dot clone. Okay? So both will be same function. Okay, get the same copy of the elements. Then equals. If both elements are equals, means both list values are same, then it will return true. System dot, let's say names dot equals of names copy. If you want to check, it returns true or false. That's it. If the elements are all are same and in order is also same, then it returns true, else it returns false. True. Because elements all elements are same. Okay, so that's the equals. Get we have already seen. Get as object is not required. Then is empty. So what is empty does? Is empty returns true or false. If there is at least one element, it returns false. Okay, else it returns true. Let's just example. Let's say n is empty equals to names dot is empty. Means so it returns false because there are some values, then it returns false. If there is no value, then it returns true. Then remove, we have already seen set. So there is another one, set. Set means, let's say you have the number of elements like 0 position Kruti is there. Now I need to remove Kruti and need to replace with some other. Like let's say I want to add names dot set of 0. If I give like this, then Kruti will be replaced with Lokesh. Okay, so that means just set means add is different. When you say this add, it adds another element into the list. When you say set, it removes the previous value, whatever it's already existing, and add the new value into that specific position. That's set. Okay, then size, it returns how many records we have. Okay, sort means you just order the elements in the ascending order. Okay, write down all these methods first. Okay. Add add element, add index. Kriti, pause the recording, then note down all these things. Store in a list. Okay, this usually what we have to store values from 1 to 100. First, we need to have a collection. We have seen list of what we are going to store. 1 to 100 means numbers. Numbers means integer. Integer numbers equals to new list of integer. Okay. Usually we have to add numbers like numbers dot add of 1. Then you have to add numbers dot add of 2. Like you have to write till 100, right? So instead of that, if see usually what we are trying to, first one we are adding, second two we are adding, third 4 5 6 7 8 9, like that. Okay, so simple like printing also, we have already a for loop for integer I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 100, I plus plus. Now usually what happens, I will be 1, then 2 3 4 5 6, something like this, right? If I add numbers, what I consider is numbers dot of I. Now what happens, first 1 will be added, second 2 will be added, third 4 5 6 7 till 100 it will be added. Very simple program, adding 1 to 100. If you see system dot debug, let's say I'm going to give was 10 only, because you have to see all the values, right? Yes. Execute to 10. Just using list methods inside the for loops and others are very important. Numbers, then you are adding values here. Okay, now can you guys write a program to store 100 to 1? Write in the program and post on the chat. I need store I need to store the values from 10 to 1, not for 100, 10 to 1. Yes, we have just seen from 1 to 10, now 10 to 1, reverse order.